protected his empire, defending his land. And in times of trouble, he would fight for his land. Now the soldiers of England have taken his broadsword. All together, there's fire in the glen. There's fire in the glen, but no fire in the eyes of our Highland man. Now the laird has a smile for the maker of graves, for the builder of empire, and the taker of slaves. We gave all we had, while our homes they burned down. Now our kinfolk lay huddled along the shore side. There's fire in the glen. There's fire in the glen, but no fire in the eyes of our Highland men. So beware of their banners and the general's lies. There's no glory for the poor man. There's no glittering prize. We gave all we had, while our homes they burned down. Now I cry out, Republic and allegiance to no crown. All together. There's fire in the glen. There's fire in the glen, but no fire in the eyes of our Highland men. One more time, everybody in the house. There's fire in the glen. There's fire in the glen, but no fire in the eyes of our Highland
It was only